Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick guide, I will show you how to add or change your middle name on Cash App. So let's go. First, open Cash App on your phone, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, then scroll down and select Personal, or it may say Account Settings. Then tap your name field and add or update your middle name exactly as it appears on your ID. Then save change. If prompt, upload a government ID showing your full legal name to verify your identity. And here are some important notes. Cash App requires your legal full name for verification and security. And if you don't see an options to add your middle name, it might be because your account is not fully verified yet. So complete the verification first. And then change can take up to 24 to 48 hours to reflect. And here's some troubleshooting you can try. If your name update is reject, double check your ID matches exactly. Then contact Cash App support if you face issues verifying your update name. And that's it. If this helped you out, make sure to like, comment your questions, and of course subscribe for more Cash App tutorials. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.